The Smoothie Diet Program reviewed. Introducing the Smoothie Diet. The program is designed to help users reduce their fat and sugar consumption, and to lose weight in 3 weeks. The program was created by Sgoutas, who is a certified health coach and nutrition expert, and a member of the American Association of Drugless Practitioners. Features of the program. It has a custom 3-week weight loss schedule, over 36 delicious smoothie recipes, a 3-day detox plan, and sequential intakes of smoothies for maximum results. How the program works: you start a 3-day detox period. Then you begin the 3-week plan. Supporting research. Research supports the benefits of vegetables and fruits. Experts recommend eating 5 servings of vegetables and fruits daily. Fruit smoothies offer more fullness and energy, while green smoothies improve your immune function. Effectiveness. Smoothie diet is research-based, it is expected to be effective. Pros of the program. Easy to access on phones or laptops. Results are expected to be fast, in less than 4 weeks. Cons of the program. You need to make other lifestyle changes to sustain results. Recommendation. If you're trying to lose weight, using smoothies is a smart strategy. It reduces your general calorie intake,